I was about to give the floor to Stefano Messina, chairman of the Messina Group, and understand that his line of business is containers. So, Stefano, what about the many things and theories you have heard today? What do you think mostly affect your line of business?
Thanks very much. Good morning to everybody. No any formalities, of course, to thank all the people involved in the organization. But I would say some considerations, and I try to put a conclusion on relation of our business, our experience and specialized fleet and investment we manage. So typically in our history, the price of oil and the related price of bunker and diesel is related to an important cost of the P&L. This is typically in the past, and it's always today, of course, but today in the last years, the influence of price of the oil has got in the demand of products has increased very much. What I say that a few years ago we planned a big investment in the total renewal of our specialized fleet, that is Ro-Ro container, not only pure container vessels. And this was related to the growing demand of new plants and investment in oil and gas, and in particular in the markets in which the fields are good, the fields are unexploited, and it was a typical situation of a long-term plan. What's happened that till the half of 2014, the project was going on. In fact, the price was very high. This was negative on the side of the cost in the P&L. Just to give you an idea, we passed from 30 million euro to 80 million euro in 2 years in terms of cost with the same quantities consumed. But the demand and the freight rates were increasing in that specialized cargo, so the margin was better in terms of EBITDA and bottom line. July 2014, so we are about a little more 2 years ago, and the price was going down. And what happened in the last 18 months, we know, because 2015 has been one of the best economic profit of the history of the company, because demand high, good freight rates, and drop of the cost of bunker. We went back to 25 million euros in terms of cost. So it has not been the most important cost of our P&L. Beginning of 2016, less than 27, we have seen the minimum in the last charts, and crisis, low demand of new investment, OPEC meetings, what are going saying. So this is the scenario in which a Ro-Ro container operator is moving, considering that most of cargo for the industry is moving through containers or in break bulk. Today, it's a paradox that in terms of goals, in this uncertainty on what is going for the price, I'm pushing for the consolidation of the price at a level between 60 and $70, because I think that a stability on a medium-high price, considering also a good strategy of hedging, we started last year for first time in our history to cover the needs. I think that this could be positive for the business, in particular for the straight demand of the country we have seen, such as Saudi Arabia, Iran in Middle East, or Nigeria and Angola in West Africa. Thank you.